Hello friends, welcome to our project Sales and Rent Management System. This is the homepage of our project where the user can log in into the system and at the same time he will be able to register themselves here into the system. There are two users in our project. One is end user and one is admin user. So let us first log in as admin here where user ID is admin and password is admin #123 where A is capital of admin. So let's log in. Okay, this is the home page of the admin where admin is able to view users list. These are the users. Admin is able to manage property categories where he will be able to register the category of a property. He will also able to view the categories such as category as real estate and subcategory as residential flat, category as bike, subcategory as motorbikes, category as mobiles, subcategory as smartphones, category as cars, subcategory as racing cars. As a security point of view, admin user is also able to change his password from this window. And now I want to log out from the admin page, so I will give the message you have logged out successfully. Okay, so let's go home. Now I want to register myself here. By this I have to register. As I already registered myself here, so now I log in here as end user as Rishi25 and password as Tok. Get logged in here as end user. As I want to search, this is the home page of a user in which we are able to search properties address wise, state wise, or city wise. As I want to search at see property by state wise, these are some properties here. Here are almost real estate properties. User is also able to manage his property by register his property. This is my properties, that my one of the property is Matoshri. This is my one of the property that I registered. If I want to register upload my property photos, then I will be able to upload my photos here. If I want to register in my any one of the property, then I will be able to register my property from here. That KTM bike. Contact number 9089787665. Subcategory category as bikes. State as Maharashtra. City as Pulgaon. Property subcategory as moped. Property cost 50,000. Address Mundhada, Dhada layout. Purchase date as 2018 January 29, in good condition. For sale, pin code as 4423. So property get registered here successfully. Get to home. So I'm to manage property photos. I select property as Activa. Choose file. Documents. Open. We can also manage. We can see our properties here. If I want to change password, then I will be able to change password here, as my current password is Thok and my new password is D at the rate 123. D at the rate 123. Submit. Here I get password change successfully. This is the home. So now I want to log out from my page. I have get logged out successfully, and this is all about our project. This is the perfect property searching solution for any personal property. We can search a wanted property, any wanted property here. Okay, thank you very much guys.